Guys, I am expecting a potential short squeeze for Dogecoin just later on today. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade alerts. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment. And that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out on a lot of different cryptos, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold with diamond hands. And guys, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we are positioned very well. And guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And guys, let's smash that like button if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. Guys, Ethereum just broke out of its ascending triangle pattern. With this spike, it just broke its level of resistance, which is a very good sign for all cryptos as well, because they also follow Ethereum. And guys, just as you can see, just as I called out, Dogecoin is now following Ethereum. As you can see, lots of candlesticks on Dogecoin as well, headed straight up from there. So guys, if you bought the dip that I called out just at that bottom right before, you've already made good profits. Guys, like I said, later on today, I am expecting a huge short squeeze for Dogecoin, and I'm going to be discussing that now. An article just came out titled, Bitcoin Open Interests Mimic Q4 2020 as New Report Being Cautiously Optimistic on Bitcoin Rally. What it says in the article is that there is the same amount of interest in options and futures as there was in 2020. And Q4 of 2020 is when cryptos blasted off majorly. That's when Bitcoin was only 4,000 and shot right up to 17,000. We were also breaking new all-time highs. Guys, just last year, Ethereum was only $100. And just the other day, it hit 4,400. So expect cryptos to blast off any second now. In the article, it says that open interest Bitcoin price is mimicking the start of a whole new bull run, just as we saw last year. And guys, crypto experts, including myself, because of all the data combined, we are expecting a huge bull run to start up any second now. Crypto experts are also saying that there is actually a Dogecoin short squeeze expected to happen later on in the day. So you want to get on my Patreon, you want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip before this happens. You don't want to get in when it's too late, when it's on the uptrend. Don't have FOMO, get in before this happens. Guys, just earlier in the week, Bitcoin went from 32,000 all the way on up to 44,000, and that's what they're expecting to happen with Dogecoin. And guys, I called that out right before it happened on my Patreon. Guys, we are expected to see Bitcoin blast off again, causing Dogecoin and other cryptos to follow up along with it in a very short and quick short squeeze. Guys, another big article came out titled, Bitcoin Bulls Control Friday's $1.7 billion monthly options expiry. Guys, what this article explains is how the bulls are in control of the market currently, that the bulls are winning and that they will continue to win, especially because of this options expiration. There's a lot of bears currently shorting cryptos, and I expect them to all get squeezed out tomorrow. And I expect them all to be squeezed out later on today. And they will lose a lot of money. Clearly in this article, as it states, it's just a friendly reminder that the bulls are going to be in control and the bears simply won't be. So you want to get in before this next bull run begins. Once they lose that money, they will be forced to buy their long positions, which will in turn cause this huge short squeeze. Guys, another article came out titled, Crypto Allies Rally Against Ignorant New Tax Rules in Bipartisan Infrastructure Deals. In this article, it explains how you only have to report crypto transactions if they are over $10,000. But in this article, it also says how cryptos are rallying. They're getting together to move in unison with a lot of green candlesticks later on today and tomorrow. Guys, this is huge. This means that there is no new news that would impede cryptos in any way. This will cause a lot more people to flood into the marketplace because they now feel far more confident in buying the dip. This will cause a lot more money to pour into Dogecoin and other cryptos, so you want to get in before this happens. And guys, that's why we are starting to see cryptos blast off, including Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Bitcoin dominance is lowering, which tells us that the other altcoins are starting to rally, with huge pumps just within the next 48 hours. Guys, because of the huge update for Ethereum coming out, expect to see Ethereum possibly hitting $3,000 just within the next 24 hours. Guys, people are going to go FOMO. They're going to go crazy buying the dip at every altcoin they can possibly get their hands on when Ethereum hits 3,000 and higher. Guys, a lot of people have paper hands. They're scared to get in, but not my patrons on my Patreon. They're very confident in buying the dip, and just as they have bought that dip, they are now seeing huge profits. Guys, on my Patreon, we've been buying Bitcoin at 29,000, Dogecoin at 15 cents, Ethereum at 1,700. Guys, these are highly discounted prices, easily far more than half off. Guys, Ethereum is coming up to test our level of resistance at 2437 currently. Guys, because we just broke out of our ascending triangle pattern on the Ethereum charts, testing our level of resistance, coming up to 2437. Guys, it is skyrocketing, causing this inevitable short squeeze. Bitcoin is headed up to a similar level of resistance as Ethereum. Guys, the bears have been trying to knock Bitcoin down, but they can't get it below 40,000. That is very good news. Guys, expect to see Bitcoin hitting $50,000 during this short squeeze. This will do amazing things for altcoins. Like I said, guys, get ready for this short squeeze. Buy in at the dips that I call it on my Patreon. You don't want to have FOMO and have to buy in on the rise, because then it may very well be too late. Guys, I'm expecting to see 20, 30, 40% profits just during this short squeeze. This is huge. You don't want to miss this moment. I'm expecting to even see as much as 30 cents on Dogecoin. Guys, this is well deserved. After a very long cool down corrections period, we are finally back on our bull run, and I'm very excited to say that. And guys, if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you later on.